Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through some of my empties and I'm going to share some of my replacement products that I have purchased for them. So first of all, we are going to dive in. I am a huge Biologique Recherche fan. And I finished a Lait EV. And you guys, I already had, basically I replaced it with my Lait VIP 02. This is like my favorite cleanser, you guys, ever. I wanted to try the Lait EV, which I did enjoy, but not quite as much as this Lait VIP 02. This is just a really lovely creamy cleanser that works for my skin and I just really enjoy it. So then one that I have not, maybe I have tried it, but there's Lait U from Biologique Recherche as well. I think it's a little bit cheaper, so I've heard people love that one just as much, but this one just works for my skin. I enjoyed this, but I am probably not going to repurchase this particular because I enjoy this a little bit better. Okay, cleanser. We have a few BR Biologique Recherche Empties, which makes me very sad. I am completely out of my Creme Masque Vernix. And you guys, I swear by this for healing my kind of rosacea upset skin. So my skin right now is in pretty good shape. I haven't been having any issues, so I probably shouldn't be tinkering, but I have not repurchased this yet. I absolutely love it. Completely empty. I was using this as my night cream, as a sleep mask. And when I bought this, you guys, my skin was having an eruption of some rosacea bumps, and basically I needed to work on skin barrier repair. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and again, I just used it as my night cream and I love it. So I would say that I would purchase this again, but right now I'm just feeling that my skin is in good shape and I've got other products to work through. So this will be a repurchase at some point, and if you guys have kind of upset, irritated skin or deal with rosacea, I would definitely invest in this. What I have replaced it with is my Dr. Barbara Sturm Rich Face Cream Rich. You guys, this stuff is just a super moisturizing lotion. I love it. It's not irritating to my skin. I don't find it as, like this is sort of like a repair. This is a really unique product. This is just a really deep moisturizer. And I'm going to be curious to see, I really like kind of a very hydrating, rich moisturizer for nighttime. And I'm going to see how this plays out for the summer months. But you guys, it's just lovely. My face has never felt more moisturized. I really enjoy this. And so I am going to use this up and then I'll decide if I'm going to purchase this again. So these two are loves and I would definitely repurchase. Next one, this is Biologique Creme MSR-H. I'm a little bit sad, you guys. I was on the fence about buying this and I really enjoyed this. So for those, if you're new to my channel, I had gone to Rescue Spa in New York City and gotten a whole Biologique Recherche facial, and they gave me a whole routine to use, and this was recommended as my day cream, or day and night, but they really were focusing on that mask to sleep in. And you guys, this was just a super lovely. It smells so yummy. It smells kind of like vanilla-y. The super hydrating, very glowy morning foundation. I love this. It's just very expensive. Since I was just using it in the morning time, it did last me for quite a bit of time. Would I repurchase? I may. Right now I am trying a few other things that are a little bit more cost effective, and my skin seems to be in good shape. So if it starts getting out of balance, I will let you know, but being the junkie that I am, I wanted to try something that I had read was just as hydrating and see if that worked as well. Okay, so what have I replaced it with? You guys, I have been enjoying some Angela Collia, the Souffle Moisturizer, and her luxurious facial oil. So I have been using a combination of these two, but I initially had heard that this Souffle Moisturizer, which has meadow foam seed oil in it, goat milk and willow bark extract, was amazing for sensitive types of skin. You guys, it has a really lovely, like it says, souffle texture. And it just is super moisturizing. So far, it's like a very light moisturizer. It just smells like clean and green. This is a product line that is, you know, a kind of a clean, not kind of, it's a clean brand, doesn't have any nasties in it. And just really nice, very moisturizing. And then if I feel like I need more, then before I would apply on that moisturizer, or with the moisturizer, I would apply this luxurious face oil. So in the past, I have tried Vintner's Daughter, which I've really enjoyed in the past, but I wanted to go ahead. There was a 25% off sale at Pharmaca. So I was able to buy both of these products as an on sale, and I just kind of thought, let me try the combination of these two and see if I can get the same effect that I was getting from my Biologique Recherche. And you guys, this is just a really unique oil. What I'm finding is that it's very moisturizing as well, but that it sinks into the skin. So one thing with some face oils, my skin, I would call it dry, but sometimes these face oils can be a little too rich. Like I have to be a little bit careful, but the combination of these two have just been providing me with amazing moisturization. I feel like it's been giving my skin a nice glow, and it's always nice to feel good. You can feel good about putting these products on your face. So I am going to do, I've been getting some questions about this brand. Next video coming up, you guys, we're gonna do a whole updated routine using, I'm gonna do her facial in a mask. I'm gonna be using her power cleansing balm. I'm gonna go through everything that I have purchased through her line and give you a little update. So just hold on for that. But so far, I have to say, I've been really enjoying these products. Okay, next empty is my SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. You guys, this is just one of these that I've used for years. I go off and on. I've tried dupes before, and I often buy these at my dermatologist. So sometimes if I'm there, it's just easy to go ahead and buy this versus something else. So I do totally love the CE Ferulic, but I am trying to use up some of my products that I have in my repertoire. As you can imagine, I've got some stuff to use up. So I have pulled out the MAMIEL Atmospheriques. This is Intense Nurture Antioxidant Elixir. I think I got this in a Beauty Heroes box, which I will link below, you guys. I did really enjoy. I don't think I'm getting them at the moment, but I had been getting Beauty Heroes boxes for a really long time, and I've been trying to use up some of the products that I have from them. let me just tell you a little bit about this product. Is an intense nurture antioxidant elixir. And I've just been kind of using this. I wanted to as my serum at the moment. It is not necessarily a vitamin C dupe, but since I had it, it is supposed to be, it's a cocktail of deflective antioxidants to counteract the damaging effects of elemental stress alongside hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which leave skin feeling plumped and looking luminous. So I have been using this as my serum du jour kind of since this has gone away, and I am really enjoying it. It smells delicious, but it really does plump up your skin. And again, I've got to be a little bit careful. This does have some, everything that I've been using lately does have some essential oils. I've got to be careful because I am rosacea prone. So I do like the idea of the clean and green products. I'm just kind of, I'm going to keep note on how I am doing, but so far so good. And I'm really enjoying this. That's what I've been kind of replacing it with lately. And I've got a few other things that I'm working through. So again, we'll go through that with the next video. But just wanted to share that with you. Another empty, you guys, is I got that deluxe sample of the Clé de Peau Intense Contour Eye Cream. Now this has come out, they now have since come out with another really expensive eye cream, but you guys, this stuff was just complete butter goodness. Like, I loved it. Super moisturizing, and you guys, I love a good eye cream. So would I purchase this or the new one? What I want to do is go buy I want to go get a sample of the new version and see if it was just as amazing as this guy, because I do have to say, you guys, I've used a lot of expensive eye creams and this one was awesome. So I really enjoyed that. Now, I have another extremely expensive eye cream. This is from La Mer that I need to finish up. So I am going to be finishing up this guy first before purchasing any other eye creams. I love the La Mer Concentrate Eye Cream. I think I like it a little bit more than this really crazy guy, but it has this very cooling wand that you put the eye cream on, and then you use this to lift your eyes. You guys, do I think this is worth it? I don't. It was hydrating, and just this little thing is very nice. But now, since I'm using Angela Collia's those rose eye bud treatment things, it's just like that. This is just a lovely depuffer. So anyways, you guys, the wrinkly eye thing, I don't think there's any eye cream that can literally take that away, but I do try to hydrate, and it's more about, does it feel moisturizing? You know, when my eyes feel deep and crinkly, I don't like that feeling. But between the two of these, this La Mer and this Clé de Peau, the old version, I haven't tried the new version, I really enjoyed this. This was so buttery, so amazing, and my eyes felt super hydrated. So I'm going to finish up this guy. That's my replacement. And I only have a couple more things, you guys. So I have finished up my Glow Inner Beauty Powder. You guys, this is what I call my adult Kool-Aid. It is a drink that has naturally fermented superfoods in it, probiotics and prebiotics, and it nourishes the skin from the inside out. I love this, and I like to have this in the afternoon because it kind of is like, again, like when I want something sweet, I will go ahead and drink this. I feel like it does give my skin, that it's helping my skin overall. And I enjoy it. It's really easy to take. So this is one that I did repurchase, and I am using the Glow Inner Beauty Powder. And you guys, I've been having this for years, and I actually think it's a really spot on. Like, I love it. I don't necessarily know if it's giving my skin a glow, but I enjoy taking it. It makes me feel good, and I feel like it helps me when I'm wanting sugar. I instead have this little kind of antioxidant boost drink, and it just kind of calms that down. So love this. And last but not least, I have got almost empty, but basically trying to get out the dregs of Olaplex. This is the shampoo and the conditioner. I would love to know, you guys, I think I'm gonna buy another one of these. My hair is colored, obviously. I'm actually really gray. My daughter, though, just had this blue extravaganza where she dyed her hair with her friends, permanent blue. And then we had to, you know, spend a bunch of money getting it corrected and fixed. And so her hair is very damaged. So we have been using the Olaplex treatment as well as the shampoo and conditioner. And her hair really is improving. Like, hers was more damaged than mine, so I can actually see the results of this in action. Live and learn. Permanent blue, no. Anyways, so I am not sure for myself, so I would love if you guys have any favorite shampoo and conditioner products that you absolutely love and feel is really great for colored hair. I would love to get your suggestions, but I do have to say I will be repurchasing the Olaplex, at least for my daughter, and I enjoy it myself. But that would be something I'm always open to trying new products if you guys think they're amazing. So you guys, thank you for watching my empties. I've got some really fun videos coming up this week, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great start to your week.